Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be discussing what does pinned mean on TikTok. So there's essentially two meanings to the word pinned on TikTok. So if you say you've pinned something on your profile, that means you've pinned a selected video that you want, up to 3 videos on your main page. And the way that you do that is you select the video and then you tap on the 3 dots under the bookmark button, and then you can see right over here is the pin button. So if I tap on the pin button and then I go back, you can now see that that specific video is pinned. And there's various reasons as to why creators pin their videos to their profile. It might be an important video regarding their brand, or it might be something that they just want to get extra views on, and they want the people coming to their profile to be able to see that content. So that's what pinned means on your profile. Now you can actually pin other things as well if you go into the comments section of your TikTok videos. So let me find a video real quick. Okay, so if you go ahead and tap on the comments of your videos and you have comments, you can tap on the dots next to the comment and pin that comment to the top as well, just like you can on platforms such as YouTube and things like that. Unfortunately, I don't have many videos with comments and I don't feel like finding them. So the two main pinned meanings is you've pinned something to your profile for more exposure, and the second one is that you've pinned a comment. And that's essentially what pinning means on TikTok, or what pinned means on TikTok. So I hope this helped you out today. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.